Hi folks, this is a short video of a Renault Clio I'm working on at the moment, an 07 plate. It's got fault codes related to actuator relay. Done a wee bit of digging about and I've managed to find which I hope is the fault with the car. If we just dig about some of these wires here, as you can see, I've unearthed a broken wire, so it's maybe worthwhile looking about. Takes a few minutes to pop out the relays and fuse points and what have you. So hope this has helped to a lot of people out there that's maybe had some headache that I've had over the past few days trying to figure out. Hopefully it's of help. It's fault code df271, normally comes up actuator relay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.